Hello guys, welcome to this video. Today I am working on this data set. How do we go about achieving this from this? So this is what I will do. Firstly, I will share this into two sheets. On one sheet, I will have order ID and category, and on the other I will have order ID and amount. So let's create the first sheet. Like I said, we'll go back to dirty data, then copy this, and then we paste it here. We paste it here, and then we go back into dirty sheet, and then we copy the three. Then we go back to we create sheet 2, and then we paste it here, and then get rid of the category. So now we have a sheet that has order ID and category, and then we have another for order ID and amount. What do? We save. So it's been saved. Then the next thing, we're going to use Power Query to achieve this cleaned data here. So we go to Power BI, and then this is my home page, and then we import data from Excel because we had worked on that data set from Excel. If it was from another, then you can just select that. So go to Power BI, then we'll go to import from Excel, and then we'll go to where we saved it. As you can see, we have it here, and we click on it, and then we'll do open. We'll wait for it to load. You need to be patient. So when we are done, this is we have the clean data we had in the Excel. So we have dirty. We're going to click on the sheet 1 and the sheet 2 we just worked on. As you can see, both of them. Then we transform data. Okay, so we have sheet 1 here and we have sheet 2. So what do? We start with the sheet 1. Let's work with the sheet 1. So what we need to do with the sheet 1, firstly, let's make the first row the header, because order ID is the header, not the column 1, column 2 we have here. So what we just click on this, and then we go to use first row as headers, you can see. And then yes, this is how it works. Then we'll go back to sheet 2 and do the same, and then we have use first row as headers. So next is to work on the sheet 1. We'll click on the the sheet 1 has these delimiters, these strokes you're seeing here. So we need to, first and foremost, what we need to do is to split the delimiters. So what we do, we'll go to split delimiters. Okay, here, see, go to split column. This is a column, and then we split column. What do we have? Do we have numbers of characters, positions, lowercase or uppercase to uppercase? No, we have delimiter. You can see here, like I said, these strokes we refer to them as a delimiter. So we click on it, and then you see what it will do. So we'll just indicate, it's showing there that we have stroke. As you can see, it's written there already. And then we'll do each occurrence of the delimiter. Wherever this is appearing, that is where we want to split. So we go to OK, and then you see the magic, and this is it. It has done its work. You see it now. So what next? We'll do everything for what we did for sheet 1. If we work on sheet 1, we'll go to sheet 2 and work on it too. So we highlight this, and then we'll do on pivot one more time, and then we'll go to other columns. So see, that's similar. Sheet 1, sheet 2. So the next thing we need to do is to create index column. Yes, so why do we need index column? We need index column because it is a unique identifier and it helps us to join our tables together to achieve that cleaned data we saw on Excel. So firstly, we go to sheet 1, and then we click on index column. Then we've created one. We go to sheet 2, and then we click on index column. So we have a column that is similar in both. Like I said, is a unique identifier, and then it joins tables. So when you go to sheet 1, you see this index 0 up to 12, and when you go to sheet 2, you see this 0 up to 12. But after this, we now move to merge query. So we go to transform, click on the merge queries, and then we click on this sheet 2. Sheet 2 is already up, so we need sheet 1 to pop up too. So we have sheet 1 and 2 mixed. So now you see that the only unique column here is index. You see 2 of them. So what we do is we click on this and we click on this, and then we go with the option with for inner only matching rows, and then we do OK. We already have our ID. We have attribute, then we'll do value. Okay, so here you go, we have the value here. When we go back to Excel, this is it. We have category, amount. So we change this to amount, and then we need to change it to category, and then we get rid of this. We don't need anymore, and then we get rid of this, and then we can move this over here. So you see it's similar to what we have in Excel. So I just copy, go back to Excel. Maybe you want to just paste this beside it to see, and then you paste it, and then voila, we have same as. You can bold it, you can see get the same. So I hope this was self-explanatory. If not, you can watch the video over and over again, or you can leave your questions below. Thank you for watching this video so far. Ciao.